Hello, good morning, everyone, and a very warm welcome to my dear children of Standard 6. Today we will study History, chapter number 3, the Harappan Civilization. The Harappan Civilization archaeological excavation first began in 1921 CE at Harappa in the Punjab on the bank of river Ravi. That is how the civilization came to be known as Harappan civilization. It is also known as Indian Indus civilization. Excavations were also carried out at Mohenjo-daro, a place about 650 kilometers away from the south of Harappa in the Indus Valley. There was a striking resemblance between the remains of structures and artifacts found at the two places. Similarly, remains have been found at Dholavira, Lothal, Kalibangan, Daimabad. Students, to remember this, Dholo Kali Sari Daimabad mein. How to remember these words? Dhola stands for Dholavira, Lo stands for Lothal, Kali stands for Kalibangan, and Daimabad as it is. Is it not simple to remember? These are all the places seen in Harappan civilization. Now, generally, the same characteristics are seen in all the places of Harappan civilization. This includes town planning, roads, constructions of houses, drainage system, seal, pots and toys and burial customs. Can you tell me? Describe the structures of the houses in your locality. Now just see what is there in your locality. You can see small houses, you can see hut, you can see the people staying in the chawl system. How do they stay? What is the structure of their house? Do you have a flat roof or tiled roof, sloping roof? Okay. Now, housing and town planning. The houses and other structures in Harappan civilization were mainly built with baked bricks. In some places, unbaked bricks and stones were also used for construction. The houses have new rooms built around a central courtyard. The houses had wells, bathrooms, and toilets. There was an excellent drainage system in which baked earthen conduct were used. The street had covered drains built with bricks. This shows great concern regarding public health. The streets were broad and laid out in a grid pattern. Houses were built in the rectangular blocks created by them. Divided into two or more sections, and each section had separate fortification. What do you mean by the word fortification? Means it is being divided in each equal part. Okay. Now try this as an example. You all have a potato in your house. Okay. Now cut that into two halves. Carve out some letters or figures on the cut surface using your nail or some pointed object. Draw any picture, dip it into the ink or color, and then press it on the piece of paper. Observe what happens. Try this at your home. Seals and pots. The seal of the Harappan civilization were mainly square-shaped and made from a stone called steatite. These seals bear pictures of animals. They include pictures of real animals like bulls, buffaloes, oxen, elephants, rhinos, tigers, etc. and also the imaginary one like the unicorn. Human figures are also seen These seals were used as stamps. Earthen pots of various types and shapes have been found at the excavation. Now do this when everything will be open. Now we all are in the lockdown, so be safe. Take an interview of a skilled person who is making earthen pot to learn how they are made, what type of clay is used, where do we get the clay from, how much time is needed to make one pot. Okay, when everything will be okay, that time you go and take a note of it. There are red terracotta pots with patterns and design in black colors. The pattern include fish scales, interlocking circles, people leaves, etc. The Harappan people buried their dead. They used to bury earthen pot with the bodies.